Now we're going to place the magnet hole on the top of our plastic. So we're going to pull out a cylinder, and it just happens to be a hole. If we pulled out a solid, all we have to do is click on the hole up here and make it a hole. We're going to click on this corner, which is going to allow us to change our dimensions. And I'm looking back at my sketch and I see it's 0.728. Hit enter. Do the same thing with this measurement. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to have the correct height for this. So I'm going to click on this grabber, which is going to give me the height. I can see that here. And I'm going to select that, and it's going to be 0.315. And then I hit enter, and now you can see that has changed. Now I'm just going to scooch this over here so it's halfway in. And then what we're going to do is I just want to change the view just a hair so that we can see a little bit better. As we lift this up and knock it through the surface here. So we do that with the cone here. So if I click on the cone and hold it, and as I move up, you can see how I break through the top surface. So you don't have to go too terribly far to do that. And you don't want to go way far, okay? Otherwise your magnet's going to stick out. But you want to just have it pop. And once it pops, okay, then we can change our view to the top and try to look at it as straight on as possible. And then we arrow over our magnet hole and get it as centered as we possibly can. Once we're happy with the center, we can go back to this view, draw a box around the whole entire thing, and then go ahead and select group. Now we just assess it real quick and check to make sure we didn't cut through our letters with our magnet hole, and it looks good. So we're sitting pretty for the next step.